1973 Porsche 914 V8 Group 5 Tribute. Price, $15,000. Mileage, 77,400 miles. Location, Irvine. An extraordinary 1973 Porsche 914 transformed into a breathtaking Group 5 Tribute, blending lightweight German engineering with legendary American V8 muscle. At its heart is a professionally installed 1961 Chevrolet 283 cubic-inch Corvette V8 featuring forged internal components, delivering exhilarating performance through a Porsche 901 5-speed manual transaxle for an engaging, race-inspired driving experience. The chassis has been upgraded with Porsche 911 wheel hubs and a complete 911 braking system, while adjustable Koni Sport rear coilover suspension enhances handling and stability. A full roll cage adds structural rigidity and safety, complementing the aggressive Group 5 wide-body conversion that gives the car an unmistakable motorsport presence. Riding on authentic two-piece centerline wheels measuring 15 by 10 inches up front and 15 by 12 inches at the rear, wrapped in massive 345/45 are 15 rear tires originally sized for the Lamborghini Countach. This Porsche commands attention from every angle. Our dream is simple. We're hoping to reach just 1,000 subscribers. If you enjoy our content, please consider subscribing and supporting our journey. Your encouragement means more than you know and helps us continue creating videos. Every subscription is a small act of kindness that keeps our passion alive. Thank you sincerely. 1969 Volkswagen Beetle. Price, $10,000. Mileage, 1,234 miles. Location, Batesville. Charming 1969 Volkswagen Beetle that combines timeless German engineering with tasteful performance and suspension upgrades, making it an enjoyable classic for weekend cruising or local car shows. Finished in vibrant orange with a black interior, this iconic Beetle retains its unmistakable vintage character while benefiting from several well-chosen enhancements. The air-cooled engine has been upgraded with dual carburetors, providing improved throttle response and stronger performance compared to the factory setup. An adjustable front beam suspension, along with new front and rear shocks, gives the car a lowered, aggressive stance while maintaining a comfortable ride. Brand new tires, including a matching spare, ensure dependable road manners. 1925 Ford Model T. Price, $15,000. Mileage, 111,111 miles. Location, Wink. A unique and eye-catching 1925 Ford Model T Custom Hot Rod that blends the unmistakable charm of one of America's earliest automobiles with the exhilarating performance of a modern motorcycle powertrain. This one-of-a-kind build is powered by a high-revving 1,200 cubic centimeters Buell V-twin engine, delivering an exciting combination of lightweight agility, quick acceleration, and the unmistakable sound that only a performance motorcycle engine can produce. Paired with an automatic drivetrain, the setup offers a distinctive driving experience unlike a traditional hot rod, making it a guaranteed conversation starter wherever it appears. Finished in classic black with a matching black interior, the car retains the iconic silhouette of the legendary Model T while showcasing a creative custom approach that sets it apart from conventional builds. Whether displayed at car shows, taken on weekend cruises, or enjoyed as a unique collector's piece, this custom 1925 Ford offers an unforgettable mix of vintage styling, innovative engineering, and unmistakable personality that is sure to attract attention everywhere it goes. 1969 Macon MR7. Price, $16,500. Location, Tacoma. An exceptionally rare 1969 Macon MR7 Formula Ford race car that represents the golden era of British open-wheel motorsport. Built in February 1969 by Macon Race Cars in Kent, England, chassis number 101 was originally commissioned by renowned American importer Fred Opert, making it a historically significant example of an early Formula Ford competition car. Following an early engine failure during testing, the car was later upgraded with a professionally built 1.6-liter Ford inline-4 by IV Engines in 2008, featuring dry-sump lubrication and a Weber downdraft carburetor for dependable race-ready performance. Power is transmitted through the legendary Hewland MK8 4-speed manual transaxle, a gearbox widely respected in vintage racing for its precision and durability. 1960 Volkswagen Beetle Convertible. Price, $8,500. Mileage, 100,000 miles. Location, Los Angeles. A charming 1960 Volkswagen Beetle convertible that captures the timeless appeal of one of the world's most beloved classics while benefiting from thoughtful mechanical updates. Finished in blue with a beige interior, this original convertible has been garage-kept and carefully preserved, making it an ideal choice for collectors or enthusiasts seeking a dependable vintage cruiser. Under the rear deck lid is a rebuilt 1,640 cubic centimeters air-cooled flat-4 engine paired with a manual transmission, delivering the unmistakable driving experience and distinctive sound that made the Beetle a global icon. The car is reported to run smoothly with no mechanical issues, offering reliable performance for weekend drives and classic car events. 1974 Volkswagen Dune Buggy. Price, $9,000. Mileage, 5,000 miles. Location, Needville. A freshly restored 1974 Volkswagen Dune Buggy built for adventure, offering the perfect combination of lightweight performance, classic VW reliability, and open-air excitement. Finished in eye-catching red with a black interior, this custom buggy is designed to deliver endless fun whether exploring sand dunes, cruising the beach, or turning heads at local events. Power comes from a newly rebuilt Volkswagen air-cooled engine paired with a freshly rebuilt manual transmission, providing dependable performance and an engaging driving experience. With only around 5,000 miles reported, the buggy benefits from recent restoration work that leaves it ready to enjoy without the need for immediate mechanical attention. 1972 Chevrolet-Powered MGB. Price, $30,000. Mileage, 5,500 miles. Location, Rochester. Truly unique 1972 MGB Roadster nicknamed the Cobra Killer. This professionally built street machine combines lightweight British sports car styling with brutal American V8 performance. Retaining its original all-steel factory body, this is not a kit car, but a carefully engineered custom powered by a Chevrolet 383 cubic-inch stroker V8, producing an impressive 600 horsepower and 600 lb-ft of torque. The high-performance engine is paired with a legendary Muncie 4-speed manual transmission and a durable 10-bolt Posey rear axle, creating an exhilarating driving experience with explosive acceleration and unmistakable V8 sound. 1973 Volkswagen Beetle Super Beetle. Price: $5,500. Mileage: 85,000 miles. Location: Las Vegas. A well-maintained 1973 Volkswagen Super Beetle finished in bright yellow with a warm brown interior, offering classic air-cooled simplicity paired with recently completed mechanical refresh work. This manual transmission Beetle has been owned and enjoyed for 6 years, but now presents a well-sorted road-ready package after a series of important maintenance upgrades. The engine has been carefully serviced with recently adjusted valves, a rebuilt carburetor, new spark plugs, distributor, and ignition coil, ensuring smooth and reliable operation. Fuel system components have been cleaned and renewed, including a replaced fuel line and fuel level float, while cooling ducting improvements help maintain proper engine temperatures. 1970 Porsche 914. Price: $16,500. Mileage: 1,000 miles. Location: Los Angeles. A well-sorted 1970 Porsche 914 1.7 finished in red with a black interior, offering a classic mid-engine sports car experience with tasteful performance upgrades. This example features dual Weber 40 carburetors for improved throttle response and stronger drivability compared to the factory setup, along with electronic ignition for more reliable starts and smoother operation. A Stoddard 914-6 GT-style muffler adds a sportier exhaust note, while Renline floorboards and a classic Dino steering wheel enhance the interior feel with a more purposeful, driver-focused setup. The car rides on rare Shelby USA wheels wrapped in Toyo R888 performance tires, giving it a more aggressive stance and improved road grip. 1956 Vintage Go Kart. Price: $1,800. Mileage: not applicable. Location: Dallas. A rare and charming piece of 1950s-era backyard racing history, this handmade vintage go-kart, quarter-midget style, reflects the creativity and mechanical ingenuity of early amateur motorsport culture. Built entirely from custom-fabricated components, it carries the raw, experimental spirit of mid-century racing, where builders often engineered their own frames and drivetrains. Power comes from a classic McCulloch two-man chainsaw engine, a lightweight and high-revving motor that was commonly adapted for early kart racing due to its simplicity and surprising performance potential. The engine reportedly still turns over, although it has not been run in many years, and is currently presented as a display piece rather than a running vehicle. With its patina, handmade construction, and authentic period character, this vintage kart stands as a fascinating collector's item, perfect for display in a garage, man cave, or motorsport collection.